Chief Maker.
During the festival period, every year.
Yes.
So many masquerades want to play.
Okay.
So many cultural groups play during that period.
Yes.
His Majesty, Nyenwe-Ali,
yes.
it's not opportune to see them.
Okay.
It's only good that after all that, at the beginning of the year like this,
yes,
all the masquerades in the community, in the kingdom, gather together to come and display in front of Nyenwe-Ali.
Okay.
So you also have the benefit of seeing them.
Yeah, but the significance.
This is significance of
this thing. Chief, no yes. It might be a historian of note. Now, what are we to hand over to the children that will come in the future?
What we're handing over to them is our tradition, because it's now our tradition.
Yes.
That every first Saturday of every year.
Yes.
Masquerade in Isiokpo come to display before Nyenwe-Ali.
Okay.
So we shall bequeath it unto our descendants.
Okay. Make us, sir.
I'm Chief Matthew Aleru. I'm number one of Isiokpo Kingdom.
Make us, sir. See you again. Chairman, sir. In any manner, sir.
Sir, 1 year adversary, New Year adversary for Nyenwe-Ali, Isiokpo, April, and others.
Okay.
Also, and respect for me.
Okay. Ndụmọdụ nwere ike enye si ha alaka ala na Ikwerre and Isiokpo.
Advice and baby she can maintain. Also, because of what I have no.
Make us, sir. I'm
Chief Charles, chairman.
Okay. Make us, sir. Nyenwe-Ali, make us, sir. Isukwuru elu ọwa tumbe bịa agwadum bịagbakọ n'ezi maka omenala a ndị iru omenala a banụsa.
End of the whole festival year.
Yes. Okay.
Everything
okay. N'ime ali anyị na-achị ọba Alikwu and Eli Isiokpo n'ulele Ikwerre igwepụ Isiokpo Ikwerre ndị anyị na-akasị ọmụntakịrị ma papa agwabe ma bịa nwụrụ ha anyị na-eme taa ndị anyị n'okwu. Why are we here, sir?
This is a cultural heritage of the ancient kingdom, and it is well revered within this community. To find both young, old, chiefs all gathered to give a final climax festivities. And it's been organized by His Royal Majesty, King Blessing Wagor, the Majesty of the ancient kingdom. So we find all shades of people here. That's what we came to bring.
Yes. Make us, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, what is the significance of this thing that we are celebrating today?
It is typifying the culture and the people of Isiokpo. It shows the richness of the Isiokpo culture. We are people, an ancient kingdom that want to maintain our culture. So our Majesty, Nyenwe-Ali Isiokpo, is today hosting all masquerades in celebration of the festivities. The December period up to all here to celebrate as displayed in the festive period.
Okay, thank you. I know you very well. What is your name, sir? Let's walk.
My name
You more?
My name is Dr. Chris Amani.
Dr. Chris Orinda Amani. My chief, I know you, but I want the whole world to know you, sir. Your name?
My name is Engineer Patrick Matune. I'm the winner award at Isiokpo.
Yes. Mekasa. 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 You Rama. Mekasa. Engineer Meka. Meka. You are Millicent today. Not enough. Our guest, Kwano. Stop, okay? You are looking good here. I'm shooting with 4K camera. Not any other camera is this. 4K camera. And who your picture here? Babu CNN. Direct you're here. You're beautiful here. Meka.
Happy New Year.
The same.
Thank you, brother.